NightLase is a laser treatment for the 67% of adults that snore and suffer from sleep apnea. It is a fast, painless, and non-surgical procedure that uses gentle pulses of light energy without the need for anesthesia or an injection. The laser light gently heats up the palatal area and tightens up the tissue, which then opens up the airway and allows the patient to breathe easier and snore less. The tissue is tightened by the production of new collagen and the reformation of old collagen. The procedure is done in 3 45-minute appointments scheduled 3 weeks apart. The outcome of the procedure allows the patient and his or her partner to sleep better without the interruptions from snoring, thus making everyone happier and healthier.